Samsung fans, the wait is almost over. The next big chapter in the Galaxy S25 story is about to begin, because One UI 8 Beta 5 is officially coming next week. And if you own the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra, this could be your last beta before the stable public release. This is the moment we've been waiting for, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know before it lands on your device. This isn't just a small patch, this is Samsung's final major polish pass before the big stable rollout. They're taking all the feedback from the last 4 betas, fixing every major bug, boosting performance, and making sure your Galaxy S25 runs smoother, faster, and smarter than ever before. Samsung just confirmed through the Samsung Members app that One UI 8 Beta 5 will roll out between August 18th and August 23rd. If you're enrolled in the beta program, expect that download notification anytime in that window. And yes, the S25 lineup is getting it first, ahead of other Galaxy devices. While Samsung hasn't published the full Beta 5 changelog yet, reliable insiders and early testers have shared what's coming. And it's big. Smoother performance, reduced animation jitter and faster app switching, better battery life, optimized background processes for longer screen-on time, camera improvements, especially in night mode and video stabilization, bug fixes, major issues from Beta 4 like random app crashes and Bluetooth glitches have been addressed, stability boost, overall system reliability improved for daily use. Here's the exciting part. If Beta 5 proves stable, Samsung could push the final public One UI 8 update to the Galaxy S25 series in early September. And that stable build will bring all the Android 15 core upgrades, plus Samsung's AI-powered features, like AI Photo Remaster, better Live Translate, improved Bixby routines, and advanced Samsung Notes integration. If you're in the beta program, here's what you need to do to be ready. Open the Samsung Members app. Check for any beta announcements. Go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. Make sure your battery is at least 50% and your phone has enough storage space. Download, install, and restart your device. Dive into the update and explore the changes. Let's lock in the schedule. Beta 5 rollout window, August 18th to 23, 2025. Stable One UI 8. Release for S25 series, September 2025. So here's the bottom line. One UI 8 Beta 5 is almost here, and it's going to set the stage for the most polished, most powerful Galaxy S25 experience we've seen yet. We're talking faster performance, longer battery life, smoother animations, and AI features that make your phone feel next-gen. If you're already in the beta, get ready to update. If not, you might want to wait for that September stable release. But honestly, this one's going to be worth testing. Drop a comment right now. What's the one feature you're most hyped for in One UI 8? And are you Team Beta or Team Stable release? I'm reading all your comments and will reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because the moment Beta 5's changelog drops, I'll be breaking it down feature by feature with live tests right here on the channel. This is it, Galaxy fans. The future of the S25 is just days away. All right, that's it for now. Mark your calendars, back up your data, and get ready. One UI 8 Beta 5 is almost here. This is your sneak peek into the stable future. See you in the next video.